Hey guys, in this video I'll show how to view all your YouTube comments inside your mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's begin. Alright guys, open up your YouTube app on your mobile device. Then on the home page here, you want to click on your profile. So I'll go ahead and click onto your profile and then click on the gear icon once you're on your profile page. And then a whole list of different settings will appear. The one you need to click on is manage all history. So go ahead and click into that. Give this a few moments to load. And now you're inside your YouTube history. From here, you want to click on to interactions, which is next to history and control. So click on that interactions tab. And then from here, you need to click on to comments and replies. So click into that. And now here, if you scroll down, there'll be a whole list of all your YouTube comments and likes. And if you want to delete any of your comments, simply click on the little cross icon here, like so. And now it will say deleting now. And now that has been deleted off your YouTube history and it will no longer be visible. So yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial guys. Thanks for watching it to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.